Okay, so this is going to be the drone drop for September 2018. I believe this one is going to have a flight controller from a company called Helio, I believe. Okay, so we start off with more stickers. I think these were also in the last month's box. And yep, right away we got the spring flight controller all-in-one. And this looks like, when they say all-in-one, I think they mean it's a flight controller and a PDB together. And we have here some of the specs. 6S capable, 200 amps. It's got 5 volts and 3 volts for the receiver. OSD with LC filter. IMUF coprocessor. I have no idea what that means. STM32F4, so it's an F4. And it comes with a 32K gyro, the ICM2601, smart audio and camera control. And then we have a 2 amp voltage regulator, so should be able to power up plenty of devices. Okay, so I wanted to show you what you get inside the bag. It's not really that visible. You get some rubber grommets or silicone grommets here for these are M4 holes. I think this is the bottom of the board. You got your voltage regulators and M4 holes here. You got 4 chip, black box, recording, flash chip there. This is the top of the chip. You have a current sensor, OSD chip. I think that is going to be the gyro. Yeah, I think that's, yeah. Either that's the gyro, or that's the gyro, or there's 2 gyros. Not sure. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on this flight controller in the comments below. Obviously, this is a PDB as well, so you're going to put your battery leads here, ESCs here. So this is going to be for your ESCs on the arms, but I think you can probably also wire up a 4 AC as well if you want to go that route. Nice big pads for soldering, so should be pretty easy to solder. I heard this is a pretty good flight controller. So, yeah, I'll probably put this into a build at some point soon. Okay, so what else we get here? We get some more stickers. Okay, we get 3 sets of these Dal Cyclone props. These are the T5051Cs. These are some of my favorite props for light setups and our smaller motors, because it's a light prop. It'll spin up faster on low torque motors. Okay, we got another driver here, hex driver. This is from Team Black Sheep. Last month, I believe the one that came in the box was the 2mm hex driver, so I guess we're going to get another one this month and add probably another one next month, I suppose. Got a battery strap here from Ethics, and we have some TBS solder from Team Black Sheep. A little small amount here. This is 6337 solder, so that's the kind that I use. So I get this question a lot, what kind of solder I use. This is the one, this is the kind of solder. Is it 63? It's 6337, and so I heard that's better. I don't exactly know why it's better than 6040. Something about cold solder joint, something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but this is the same stuff here. 1.8% flux on this one and 2.2% on this one. This is the one that I use for all of my soldering. It's the one from MG Chemicals. I don't trust any other solder from anywhere else. I just get the big, I think this is like a, this weighs about 1 kilogram, I think, something like that. Okay, the last thing in the box is these Team Black Sheep battery grip pads. Okay, so you get 3 of these in here. They come with 3M adhesive one side and some plastic on the other. I think this is very sticky, yeah. So this is kind of like the Uber grip that is sold on the Rotorite store. You can see how sticky that is. So that's why this plastic's on here. So you can obviously cut this down to whatever size you need, and then your battery will grip for that. Obviously this is flat versus the Uber grip as like a textured surface. So that's a pretty big difference, but yeah. So it'll be interesting to use. I kind of wish that someone would make a thinner version of this. It's really thick. It's good for the 5-inch, but I don't like using this stuff on the micros because it's kind of bulky and heavy. Okay, so that's it for the box. Again, kind of on the light side, but I think the highlight is going to be the flight controller, the first item that I showed you from Helio, I believe. Helio or Helio Spring? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's called Helio, and the spring is called the name of the flight controller, but I'm not sure how much this is, but I'm pretty sure they probably charge about at least $50 for this, I imagine. And yeah, if that's all you get in the box, I guess that covers the cost of the box, but you get some extras here. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys are, I know a lot of you guys are like, always complaining, oh, why isn't there like $100 of stuff in a box that you buy for 50? Well, and it's probably expecting a little bit too much, I think, but this isn't too bad. I think this flight controller is going to be pretty good, so we'll check that out in a future video. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this month's drone drop. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you in the next one.